What this one says is I need to find the area between these two curves. Now, the problem with this is that if you don't remember how to do polynomial functions, because this is going to give you a 6th degree polynomial function, and in order to find the zeros of a polynomial function, you need to remember how to find the zeros using the rational root theorem, and you have to remember how to use synthetic division, and you got to remember which ones work. And I just don't want you to have to go through all that work. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be graphing these. So if you notice, I have these two graphed, and then I'm going to graph it, and then I'm going to zoom in a little bit to show you really what's going in. So let's zoom in. And we have these two functions. Now what this problem is saying is that I want the area in between these two curves. So I want this area right here and this area right here. Now in order to do this, I need to know where the intersections are from here to here and from here to here. And I need to know all three of them because here the top function is the red function and here the top function is the blue function. So if you want to do it correctly, you got to integrate from here to here and then from here to here. So I need to know these intersection points. This one right here is 0. It pretty much looks like it's 0, so we're just going to guess that it's 0. And to find the exact intersection points, what we do is we go second, calculate, and then I want to find my intersect. And it's going to ask for my first curve. So in other words, it's on the blue curve. So I'm going to hit enter because I want it to be on my blue curve. And the second one's going to be on my red curve. And then it says guess, and it says, where do you want me to guess? Do you want me to guess over here or over here or over here? So this looks pretty much like -1. So I'm going to go -1. I want you to guess around -1. And then hit enter, and the intersection is -1, 1. And all I care about is that x value, which is -1. Now if you do it over here, you find out that this is -1, and then this is going to be 0. So that's how you find your intersections using your calculator, and the integration's actually up to you. Good luck.